In today's video, we're going to be using this tic-tac-toe board from Dollar Tree to make some adorable Christmas crafts. I went ahead and took out all the pieces from our tic-tac-toe boards, and I'm going to be using these acrylic markers I have had on hand from Amazon. I've probably had them over a year. I'll link them down in the description box if you want to pick up some. They covered these chippy wood pieces really well. If you don't have any markers, paint will do just fine. Once I have all my pieces painted, I'm going to go ahead and use these number stickers. I'm going to place 1 to 12 on each one of the pieces. I did use 2 games for this just so that I could have 12 pieces. If you only pick up 1 game, you only get 10 pieces. But we're going to be using the rest of the pieces throughout the video. So once I have all my stickers on, I'm going to go ahead and take this printout that I did on my silhouette and put it up at the top. It says Countdown to Christmas. If you don't have a cutting machine, don't worry, you can use stencils or stickers. I'm going to use these magnets I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them down at the bottom of each one of our pieces. Now, just a quick note here to save you some time, make sure that all of your magnets are compatible with the magnet you're going to move around. If they are polar opposites, they won't stick. I am speaking from experience. I had to add a couple of extra magnets to some ones that I didn't check. So just check that yours is going to be compatible. Once you have those ready, you're going to glue them all on to the board, and then that is it for this super adorable project. I love how it turned out. If you love it too, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I was asked to be part of a really fun collab that goes on every month called Everything Crafting. I was asked to be the guest host. The hosts for this playlist every month are Lady Red Crafting and Our Gray House. They usually have a different theme each month, and in today's video you can check out the rest of this list by clicking on the playlist that will be linked in my comments as well as my description box. Go ahead and check out the playlist as well as these lovely ladies' channels so that you can find all kinds of crafting inspiration for Christmas. Now let's get back to the video. For this project, we're going to take a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. I had this one on hand, but I think they are $1.75 now. I also used another piece from my silhouette. Again, if you don't have a cutting machine, you can use a stencil or you can use some stickers. I'm just going to lay this down on there and pull it back up. Once I have that piece down, it gives me a little bit of guidance about where I want to use my numbers. For this project, I did go ahead and use my cutting machine to cut out all my numbers. But again, if you don't have a cutting machine, go ahead and use stickers or you could stencil them on. If you are going to use paint on here, I highly recommend that you seal it with something. I went ahead and sealed this as well later with some clear spray. Once I had all my numbers on, I went ahead and took some ribbon. This came from Hobby Lobby from last year, and I'm going to go ahead and just tie a quick bow using some twine here in the middle. I folded it over, cinched it together, and then using the twine, I'm going to go ahead and fold it and tie it in the middle. Once I cut that off, all I'm going to do is add my bow at the very top of my countdown. This is super easy. You can make this bow as big or as small as you want. I am going to go ahead and dovetail the ends here. Dovetailing gives it a little bit more of a high-end look, but that is totally up to you and your preferences. So once I get it cut, I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. Now, I didn't want any of the numbers showing, so I kind of had to position the bow around to where I can make sure I could see all of the numbers. I'm just going to go ahead and add some hot glue at the top and position it kind of to the left-hand side. I also took one of these little trees from our tic-tac-toe board, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that into the middle of our bow. And then we're going to use one more piece from our tic-tac-toe board to be the piece that moves around on our pizza pan. So I'm going to go ahead and add a magnet, and because this is metal, you only need one magnet for this project. We're going to go ahead and put it onto the pan, and then it can be the piece that moves around to count down the numbers. That is it for this super simple project. I love how this one turned out, and I love that it kind of gave me an elf feel for the movie. If you like elf, let me know down in the comments, but I really liked this one. Let me know if you're going to create something similar for yourself. For this project, we're going to be using something I had in my stash, but it also came from Dollar Tree, and I know that they still sell these. So this is one of those little boards where you put the words in and you can change it out. This does not come with numbers, so we're going to create kind of our own numbers here, but we're going to go ahead and add the words to the top, and it's going to say days till Christmas. Now this board was kind of finicky when I was putting the paper tiles in, so if your tile doesn't go like in really quickly or smoothly, you can cut a tiny bit off of the top to get it to go in. That was kind of the problem I had with this piece myself. Once I get all the letters in, we're going to go ahead and use some whiteout, and I'm going to go over the letters on the pieces that came with it. I use this whiteout for like my planners and things like that, and I like the one that you kind of roll on like this one. Once we get the letter covered, we're going to take a number sticker and we're just going to cover up those letters. You can't tell once you get it on there, and that way you have all the numbers to count down. Now I only did up to 25, but if you wanted to have like a full set for yourself and make yourself a calendar for like an all year situation, you could do that doing the same thing. I'm going to use one of those tic-tac-toe pieces and a cute bow I got from Dollar Tree up at the top, and that is it for this super simple project. Let me know if you're going to create this one for yourself. For this project, we're going to use another one of these vinyl stickers that I created. I was really trying to use my stash here, and to be honest, I don't use my silhouette very much, so this was really fun for me to create these. But I'm also using a wood plank that I had on hand. This one came from Dollar General, and I just covered it with some white spray paint. So once I get my countdown to Christmas back on here, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the twine that was at the top. So we have these two holes up there. We're going to take just the knotted ends from where I cut it off. We're going to put some hot glue into those holes, and we're going to glue the knots only into the holes so it looks like it's coming from the other side. I learned this trick from DIY Beauty on Purpose, and I just love using that for any kind of holes I have to cover up. I did get these ornaments from Amazon. They do have holes in the top, and we're going to be using those holes for this project. If you didn't want the holes to be there, you could cover them up with ribbon or something like that. But we're going to take our number stickers again, and we're going to go all the way from 1 to 12 on here. If you are using stickers for this like we are doing here, you're going to want to cover them with maybe Mod Podge or a clear acrylic spray. But we're going to go ahead, put our countdown to Christmas up at the top, and I went ahead and did a crooked version because I just liked the look of it, but you can put that on however you want. I'm going to turn the numbers over, and we're using these thumbtacks that I also got from Dollar Tree. We're going to put the numbers on the other side because this is kind of a fun way to reveal the number of your countdown. We're going to go ahead and tack on all 12 of our pieces. Now I have a quick question for you guys. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to know, do you count down from 1 to 12 or 25, or do you count backwards from 25 to 1? Because I have always done 1 to 25, and my son has a bestie who told him last year that thought we were doing it wrong and that we were supposed to be counting down from 25 to 1. We've never done that in our house, so you guys let me know, how do you count down to Christmas? Are you going backwards, 25 to 1 or 1 to 25? We're going to go ahead and add one more piece onto our project that came from our tic-tac-toe board, and that is it for this quick project. Start out by using a picture frame. I'm pretty sure I got this at a garage sale. That is a great place to pick up any kind of used frames. Thrift store, something like that. You get them for pretty cheap, and they can be pretty expensive at the regular craft store or even at Walmart, to be honest. So once we have our frame kind of cleaned up, I did go ahead and use some glass cleaner because we're going to be writing on this, and so we want to make sure our glass is super clean. So going through the pack, I'm trying to find a more neutral tone because what we're going to put on the outside is kind of dark. I feel like my paper was still a little bit too dark, but we're going to go ahead and go with it. The nice thing about this is you can change it anytime. So if I don't like it, I can always put a different piece of paper in there. I'm going to head and cut my paper to a 5x7 because that is the size of my frame. And then we're just going to go ahead and place it into the frame. What we're doing is going to be on the outside of the frame. I did use my cutter, my silhouette, to cut this out. It does say sleeps till Santa. If you don't have a silhouette, again, you could totally use stickers, a stencil, anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and adhere that on to the front of our frame. Once we have it on there, we're going to go ahead and take one of our pieces from our tic-tac-toe board. We're going to glue that down at the bottom, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can use a dry erase marker. We're going to go ahead and write however many sleeps till Santa, and we're going to put that in the middle. You can erase it for each day and count down. Let me know if this is something you would like to recreate. It all the way to the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. Leave me a Christmas tree emoji so I know that you made it all the way to the end. Go ahead and click on this video next if you want some more inspiration, and don't forget to go down to the playlist and check out the open collab that is going on for this video. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends!